Hello guys, now we are going to discuss about heart's conducting system and their receptors. Okay, so do you know what is the conducting system of our heart? Conducting system. Okay, so the first one is SA node. Okay, then from this SA node, signal goes to AV node. Okay, AV node. Then from AV node, it goes to bundle of His. Bundle of His, HIS. Bundle of His. Then from this bundle of His, it goes to Purkinje fibers. Okay, what fibers? As you can see here, Purkinje fibers. Okay, bundle of His. Okay, so this is the conducting system of our heart. And after this Purkinje fibers, if someone asks you, it's ventricles. What? Ventricles. They're this conducting system of heart. And okay, now in our heart, what is the pacemaker of our heart? So as we know, the pacemaker of our heart is SA node. Okay, so what are the receptors on this? So SA node have beta 1 and M2 receptors. Okay, and what is the function of this beta 1? Beta 1 increases heart rate, and this M2, this decreases heart rate, or it, like, if it activated, then it reduces the heart rate. Okay, now AV node also have same beta 1 and M2. Bundle of His also have same, like beta 1 and M2, and Purkinje fibers also same, beta 1 and M2. But these ventricles, they only have beta 1. Okay, do you know what how much in this conduction system, how much beats per minute each of these produces? See, this SA node will produce approx 60 to 100 beats per minute, as you can also see here in this diagram. SA node 60 to 100 beats per minute. Okay, AV nodes like 40 to 60. Bundle of His, it's also like approximately same, like 40 to 60. Then Purkinje fibers are like 20 to 40. 20 to 40. Okay, so these are the beats per minute that are produced by these. Okay, now if someone asks you, like, where is the maximum velocity of signal, like, going? So obviously in Purkinje fibers the velocity is more. Like Purkinje fibers have maximum more than bundle of His. Then actually in this AV node, remember AV node have, like, in AV node there is something called AV nodal delay. You will study about this in later also. AV nodal delay, NODL. Okay, in this AV nodal delay, actually what happens, see, signals comes from SA node. Okay, so this SA node, because of this the upper atriums like contract. Okay, then all of a sudden, you know, in our heart there is lub dub sound, like dhak dhak, lub dub, lub dub. Okay, so this AV node, so signal when goes to this AV node, it delays by some seconds, very few, like 0.00 some seconds. Okay, so because of that, first atriums contracted, after that ventricles contracted to maintain that lub dub sound and maintain that lub dub part. Okay, there is zero speed of conduction in AV node for few seconds. Okay, and which are maximum conduction speeds? It's in Purkinje fibers. Okay, this is just extra information for your better understanding, okay, of topic. Now, as I told you, ventricles have beta 1. Okay, so beta 1 increases heart rate, as you all know. Okay, so basically it increases contraction. Okay, what? Contraction. And increases contraction, we can also call it as inotropic effect. Inotropic effect. Okay, so let's discuss about some of these effects. Okay, now see, let's discuss some effects in our heart. Inotropic effect. Okay, inotropic effect, it deals with contraction. Okay, so if a person say that the patient have positive inotropic effect, okay, so positive inotropic effect means more contraction, okay, and in negative inotropic effect means, in negative inotropic effect, it's less contractions. Okay, second one is chronotropic effect. Okay, this chronotropic effect, in this actually it deals with heart rate. Okay, heart rate. So in this, if someone say positive chronotropic effect, it means heart rate is more. Okay, and if someone says negative chronotropic effect, negative means heart rate is less. Okay, now bathmotropic effect. This bathmotropic effect deals with excitation. Okay, like in the positive bathmotropic effects, it will be more excitation, and in negative, If it will be like negative bathmotrophic effect, then less excitation. Okay, now dromotropic effect. This dromotropic effect deals with conduction speed. Okay, if someone say you that the person have positive dromotropic effect, then the positive means more conduction speed, in positive. Okay, and in negative, less conduction speed. All right, see, if someone says it's positive dromotropic effect, that means there is a stimulation of epinephrine because of epinephrine stimulation. Epinephrine stimulation, it is positive. And if someone says there is negative dromotropic effect, negative because of vagal stimulation, that vagus, now you know, stimulation, vagal stimulation. Okay, that's all. Thank you.